guys, so we are at H Mart and right now we're looking at all the fruit. I'm so excited. We came to LA today. We went to Benihana's and now we're at H Mart with my boyfriend, but you know, he's a little camera shy. I feel so shy for vlogging in public. But look at the little yogurt thing. It's all big. It's so cute. But we're just inside and I'm wearing this cute little M&M jacket. We're looking at the fruit right now. These berries look good, but they are $29. They look good though. Those grapes look good too. These grapes, they look like crunchy. Let's see what else they have. We're getting these noodles. Guys, they have these Hello Kitty cookies. My boyfriend said I'm a chronic toucher. I like to touch things, but it's always on accident. The Yakult. I actually have never had this, but my boyfriend likes it. They have different ones though. I think these are just like regular little drinks. They have the Taboki. I think that's how you say it. But I'm very excited. We're gonna go shopping after this. And it's pretty empty in here, which is really nice. I think here's just like regular drinks. I think all this is just like regular drinks.
Yeah. They still have this sensation.
Pomegranate tea.
Oh, that's
These look
good.
good. This one?
Yeah, it's good.
Really?
You wanna try it?
Lemonade tea. Do you want to try a new one?
Huh?
Do you want to try this one?
I've had that one too.
Elderberry. Oh, then let's try this one then. This says it's a tea one. Cool. Oh, this is my favorite. Ooh, cherry juice. I've never had this.
Do you want one?
Yeah, I like the Tropicana ones. Those are good.
Or
Oh, look, the
no,
the little pineapple mango one. Okay, so we're getting meat, like the Korean barbecue style meat, the thinly sliced one. Am I in focus? I feel like I am. Okay, so that's what we're getting here. We brought the cooler, which is nice, and we're gonna see which ones they have. Ooh, I think this is the thin brisket one. Yeah, that one's a brisket one. I don't know. I let him pick the ones that I want. They have different ones. I think this is pork. Ooh. They don't have the green top one. I'm looking for this, but the one that I have at home. Oh, it's right here. Not them only having one. Maybe we can find that another one, but I only see one of this one. I'm looking at all the little snacks and this one looks so cute. I might get this one, but they have a bunch of different little cookies. These all look good. Now we have a couple meats and he's still picking out some more. These dumplings, these are my favorite. We got some other things and we're still looking around. So far, these are the ones we've liked the most. We tried another brand, but I don't know. I think when we had cooked them, they were not as crispy. We're seeing what else they have. They have the good ice cream, the melon kind. Last time we bought ice here and they told us, you guys can just get free ice because you guys are getting meat. And we're like, oh. But I love H Mart, specifically the one on H Street. This one has been my favorite one I've been to so far. Every time I see these, they look so good. Like when they add the cheese, the mozzarella, I'm like, that looks so good. They have these super cute little boba Hello Kitty drinks. I wish I liked it, but I don't, but they just look so cute. They have Kuromi, My Melody, and then I have a bunch of other little drinks. I'm trying to see, I like to try something new every time, but I always get like the peach flavored things. Over here it's just like regular water. This one's so good. We still have some of these, but I really like this one. I tried this when I was in Japan, and it was a peach one, not this lychee flavored one, but it's so good. We made it over into the next aisle, but they just have a bunch of like milk tea and like more creamy kind of drinks, which I actually really don't like. I don't know why. I've never really liked like milk kind of. Ooh, let's grab that one. That one looks good. Ooh, they also have watermelon too. They have a bunch of like different ones. We like to try different things. Guys, I love the Fanta melon. Okay, I tried that when I was in Japan. We've tried this one and my boyfriend likes it, but I didn't really like it too much last time we tried it. But I could never find anything like another melon soda. A bunch of like noodles and stuff, but I think we have some at home though. I'm not sure. And then all the little fun drinks.
Wave.
I wonder what is it?
It's from Wave.
No, I'm saying like, what's the drink? Is it just like a green tea?
Look, they're all.
Oh, cool. They're probably part of like a little group. That's funny. Oh yeah, look. I found another one. That's so funny. Oh, these are, yeah, they're different girls. Yeah, they have 3 different girls.
Wave.
Well, all right, Wave girls.
Well, that one says live.
Oh, live, wave. This one says save on it. That's funny. Oh, these are so cute. The little top drinks.
Oh, curry sweat.
See guys, this is what I tried in Japan. This peach one, it is so good. They have a bunch of other flavors, but we got this one last time, and they have grape. I tried the grape one. I didn't really like it, but I wish they just had the individual bottles because we'd never end up finishing them. Ooh.
Really showing off that product. Look.
She said, buy it. Oh my gosh, so cute. This one is so adorable. They have more. I love them, but they're milk drinks. See, this is the thing. I hate milk drinks, but they're so cute. I'm tempted to buy one. We're now in my favorite aisle, which is a little snack aisle. I picked these up, guys. Anytime I see peach things, I'm just like, add it in the cart. The Pocky is my favorite, and then this little almond one. I like this one. Guys, I don't know if you guys remember when YouTube was like filled with videos where you would make these little kits. I was one of the people that really wanted them so bad because I thought they were so cool. But I still have not gotten one, which I'm always saying like, yeah, I'll get one, but I never end up getting any. But they're so cute. And they just have a bunch of little cookies. I've never seen these. These look good. But the bags are always, or like the boxes are always so big. I'm just like, I want a small trial size to see if I'll like it or not. We are now leaving H Mart and we're gonna go to the mall because we have to go Christmas shopping, and I'm so excited. It's actually pretty empty in here, which is nice. But I'm also wearing little star patches, and I'm gonna get in the car now because, oh no, girl. I was not trying to get hit, but I am wearing 2 little star patches. So I have a little pimple, and then I had some redness on my face. And now we're leaving. Good morning, besties, and happy Sunday. Yesterday I was on TikTok and I saw that Target was releasing some new Stanley cups, and I really wanted the small 20-ounce pink one. It just looks so cute. This morning I came to Target, which I'm kind of embarrassed because I'm not that easily influenced, but I really wanted it. I went to the first one and they didn't have it, and then I came to another Target and guys, they had it. It is so cute. They only had one. I went into the store and I'm like, this is so embarrassing. I walked in and then I was walking, I'm like, okay, like I'm gonna walk kind of towards to the other side where the aisle is, and while I was walking I was like, wait, I think I see it, and then I saw it and they only had one, so I was like and thankfully it was pretty empty, so I got it and I'm so happy I did because guys, it is so cute. I'm gonna go home because I'm so tired. It's 9 a.m. and I'm just ready to go back to sleep. I'm also gonna go